Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Um, I went to Denny's today and wanted to try I saw that they had like a new menu, like a new, I guess, a banana menu. Like, they have their French toast with bananas, salted caramel banana, and then they have the waffle with the salted caramel banana. And as I was doing the research, I saw that they had the pancakes, not waffle, but the pancakes. But those are returning, apparently. They're not actually new. Along with their fish, which is new, but it's not part of it's not obviously part of the banana menu. But I might come back and try that. I've never had their fish, so I might try that. But anyways, their banana menu. The French toast and the waffles are the ones that I got. And then they had 3 new sodas. They're versions of dirty soda. And I got the Dr. Pepper. They call them slammin' sodas. So I got the slammin' Dr. Pepper, and it's got the lime and the sweet cream. And I'll probably try the other 2 next time I come out. So I kind of went through it a little bit. I'll show y'all the bag. This is the bag with everything in it. This is the stuffed French toast. I haven't put the bananas on there. They put them on the side for me because we don't want them to get soggy, so we'll put them on the side. And I appreciate that. So let me put the banana. He gave me a lot of like ketchup packets. There's a lot in here. And a lot of syrup. Which is nice too. Get to the bananas. Bananas right here, and they separated everything, which is nice because I got the meal, which is the sausage, which comes with sausage, bacon, and eggs. I think they gave me both. Did they give me both on one, or just the other? Sorry, hold on. Oh, they can package differently. The waffles are packaged together, kind of. I'll show you that in a minute. Hold on. I'll show you that in a minute. I'm gonna get the bananas on here. I can open it. There we go. Okay. Let's add the bananas. There's a lot of bananas in here. That's okay. It's fine. Did I put this? Ah. No, there's the door. Yeah. We're gonna put this off to the side. Show you guys of those. It's got the actual lid on it attached. Okay. There's the sausage, the bacon, the cheesy eggs, scrambled eggs, and all. And the bacon is supposed to be new. It's supposed to be their new applewood bacon. Then we have the waffles. Yeah, they gave them, see, they put the waffles here in a separate tray. So good. And then there's the bacon and the sausage, or bacon and the eggs. The bacon and the eggs. No cheese on these. Let's get right into the French toast. Oh, and here is their dirty Dr. Pepper, their version of it. I know, it looks a little like coffee. Yeah, a little bit like coffee, but yeah. Ooh, did I get utensils? That's the thing. That's what I need to look for. Did I get utensils? Did I get everything? Everything but... Yep, they had everything but the utensils. But that's fine, that's fine. I got stuff in the... There is a... Because I got the windows down, it's hot and all. But I got forks here. Yeah, I got like other utensils here. Forks. But let's get into the French toast. This will be a little bit of a longer video, I'm pretty sure. But, yeah. And the lady who was waiting on me was very nice. Yeah, it was always fun. Greeted me when I got there, when I left. Yeah. Good customer service. Okay. These are really good. The French toast is really good. The bananas, the caramel, really get the salted part of it, but that's fine. That's fine with me. I don't mind if you're not getting a lot of the salt flavor. It does have a dusting of the powdered sugar. And yeah, y'all always have it easier with a knife. Definitely have it. But what I can do. What's up? I get the eggs. Okay. They're yeah, they're not they're not bad. They're they're on that verge of potentially being overcooked, but not quite. But yeah, they're still good. Still got some of that moisture to it. I like the added flavor of the cheese. Let's try one of these bacon slices. I don't know if that's the apple or not, but anyway, the bacon is good. I like I like my bacon more when it's got a little chew to it. It's not fully cooked. It's still got a little chew to it. Yeah, I'm not big on the hard crispy bacon. I like it like this when it's got a little chew to it. But still a little crunch. I'm not big on the link sausage or sausage at all really. Sausage patties or the link sausage. But occasionally I will eat some. But okay. They're good. There's a nice flavor to them. The pepper and all that. Yeah, yeah, they're good. There's nothing special, spectacular about them. But yeah, they're just like sausage. Good flavor though. Okay, yeah. Let's switch over to the waffles. No, 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 no. The construction was caused a big mess. Yeah, okay. Let me try the soda real quick. I have a palate cleanser. Before I get into the waffles. Okay. Well, that's pretty good. It does taste a little different than other dirty sodas I've had. Yeah. You do taste Dr. Pepper, but like the cream and all that, sweet cream, I know it comes to you a lot more. So it kind of feels like it's So it's just adding the flavor, adding like flavoring to the taco. It's like it's enhancing the taco with flavor in a way, which is nice. It's interesting, especially if you love Dr Pepper. Like, but yeah, they have the Coke version, and then they have a Sprite version with strawberry. Let's see. Let's get into the waffle. I don't know if I'm gonna need this. I'm gonna have to need the syrup that they got. I didn't need it for the French toast. You know what? Let me add some bananas to it. I almost forgot that. Well, that one, I think I can taste more of the caramel, salted caramel on that than I can when I put the French toast. Yeah, they gave me two things, two separate banana things. Which is nice, but they're so freaking difficult to open. There we go. Those are some good bananas, though. Yeah. The base of it actually is with my hand. Just pick it up. Because it's got more, it's got more of the waffle has more of a savory feel to it, as opposed to a sweetness. There's a sweetness to it, but it's got more of that savory feel to it. I guess it's because of the waffle, the way it's crusted. It doesn't have the cream and all that in the middle, which sweetens it up and all, and the French toast itself. So yeah, this is interesting. That's got more of that. Yeah, but I think if you wanted it more of the sweet side, you could add the syrup. I've been here at all. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish it with my hand. Okay. They got to say that they put the powdered sugar on here, but I think they call it on the menu sugar crystals. Maybe a couple of bananas. They're good, really good. Bananas, I don't know why, but they're really good. Let's get into the eggs. They're probably a little cold, but These don't have the cheese on. And they're not. These don't taste as close to overcooked. These actually taste pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, the others had that little bit of dry flavor to it. These don't. They still have the wetness to it, the moisture. Oh yeah. Like, let's see. No. Yeah, these eggs are a little better. And the cheese eggs. Nicely seasoned and everything. Bacon's good. I'm trying to figure out if these are the Applewood. I think it's just regular bacon. But it's good bacon. Really good. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. Yeah, if you want something that's very savory but still sweet, I'd go for the waffle. But if you really want something sweet, the French toast, the banana French toast one is the one to go for. And yeah, they give you a good bit of bananas. They give you a good bit of bananas. This whole container was full of bananas. I still got some bananas in this one that I didn't use all of. But yeah, if you've been to Denny's already, and you've tried these items, I think they came out in March. Beginning of March. I think so. And at this point, we're coming towards the end of it. I think this maybe the last week of March. So they've been out for a bit. But yeah, if you have already been to Denny's and you've tried these, let me know what you thought of them. And if you haven't tried their salmon sodas, which one you got, and if you like them at all. But yeah, this was a good little meal. I'm gonna have a couple of sweet things left for tonight because I still got one waffle and one French toast for later tonight. So, so yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And next video might be a pizza video. I'm gonna go back a couple days. Hopefully it works better this time than it did in the last video. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. And hope you enjoyed it. Bye.